Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jessica. Today I'm introducing you the wooden bag packing machine in large weight, let's say 50 kg. This is our control box, and the PLC branch is Snatter. There are two languages can be chosen, English and Chinese, and all the key with the two language as well. The conveyor is automatic, and you put the bag here, touch here, and then it will drop down. The weight was setting by the PLC. After the material drop down, and then again push this one, and it will go. Here is a sensor. When the sensor sends to the bag, and then the sewing will be start, and then the automatic cutting as well. The sewing machine, the hand here can go up and down, adjust by this one. That's all.